Hey everybody, welcome
Hey,
to Living in
you know where
Beaumont.
Cookie came from?
I'm a realtor
You know I do
licensed in
that for you.
California,
Yeah?
and I'm here to tell
Come
you
on, come
about a
on.
great
Hey,
opportunity
come on.
today.
I can
Financial institutions, they have just come out with brand new VA financing option for veterans. It's a government backed mortgage option available to veterans, service members, and surviving spouses. You guys can get approved for the loan. I'm here to tell you it's competitive interest rates. It's zero down payment. Do you know what that means? That means that it doesn't matter how much money you earn, what's your income, how much you saved, zero down payment. These qualifications apply to you. Zero down payment, flexible guidelines. Normally, even though it's a veterans, they still have certain guidelines. For example, the guidelines could be how much you earn or your FICA score or how much you have saved. If you had an honorable discharge or if you had honorable discharge, you have a disability. What percentage are you disabled? It has a lot of moving parts, but this one is so simple. This new VA financing is so simple. It's flexible guidelines. Let me tell you, FICO scores for borrowers is 400. And with the 65% DTI, you know what that is? Most loans, conventional FHA, the down payment assistance programs, you have a specific debt to income ratio that you have to stay in between in order to qualify for all the loans, depending on which one you're getting. But this is absolutely incredible. This is crazy for you guys to have a 65% DTI. So the next thing is no private mortgage insurance required, no PMI. So you don't have to buy down the mortgage insurance and things like that. And things change back and forth. So numbers change. But this is a number that you never have to worry about because it's no private mortgage insurance. Next thing is no loan amount. And joint loans are allowed. So if you have a member in your household that wasn't a veteran at all or a veteran, you can actually put them on your application. This is wonderful. They could qualify right now for a home. I think I'm gonna go downtown LA, reach out, do some outreaching, honorably discharged veterans is out there so I can tell them that you can now qualify for a house with no down payment. This is going to compare the different types of loans, conventional loans and FHA loans. VA loans are among the last no down payment loans on the market. When you get a conventional loan, you have to put up to 20% down, and as low as 3% are out there. But higher the down payment, it's more common. The VA loans, no PMI, even with the zero down payment benefit, VA loans don't require private mortgage insurance. Conventional loans usually require private mortgage insurance unless you make a 20% down payment. The VA loans have the lowest average rate on the market. Buyers often need top tier credit scores in order to tap into the best conventional mortgage rates. VA loans, lowest origination costs. VA loans have the lowest average origination costs. The VA loans is a hard earned job benefit created to expand access to home ownership for veterans and service members. More flexible and forgiving credit underwriting guidelines are a hallmark of the program. Now, for conventional loans, yeah, you got to get up there. Standard procedures, conventional loan, options often requires higher credit scores and down payment requirements than VA loans. VA renovation program. This is so new. The program specifics are occupancy 1 to 2 units, the loan to value, and then a combined loan to value is 90%. Minimum qualifications or FICO score is 580. You can borrow up to, or they can give you a loan up to 90% of your loan of value. Or if you have two loans on your home, which is probably like the first and the second, first, which is the original loan, and then you took out some money, equity line of credit or whatnot, you got that combined loan to value. And any other case, it's 100%. Okay. Then this score, you need a minimum of 600 FICO score. You can have an occupancy of 3 to 4 units, 100% max loan of value, combined loan of value. And the minimum FICO score for that is 680. Okay. And then loans larger than 1 million, the minimum FICO score is 700. Total renovation costs may not exceed 100,000. The renovation costs above 50,000 requires a HUD consultant and must provide completed W-9 consultant work, write-up, and scope of work. And then the HUD consultant identity of interest certification. All right. And the other properties are 1 to 4 unit properties. That means that you can be in a duplex or a quadplex. You can live in one and you can rent out the other 3. Manufactured housing. Now you got 1 to 4 unit properties, manufactured housing, single wide, double wide, or triple wide. The rehabilitation must not affect the structural components of the structure that was designed and constructed in conformance with the FMHCSS and must comply with all other requirements for manufactured housing and condos, which was BA approved. Those are the programs that we didn't quite offer loans on. VA renovation, you had to really take out a second loan or a lien on your house, equity line of credit, just to work on your other house, okay? And you was hoping and praying that it would be built in a timely fashion. It'll be worked on, it'll be completed, the project can be completed in a timely fashion so you can get it appraised and things like that. And then you can start getting your money back out of this. I'm pretty excited about these programs right now. It's government backed, so you don't got to pay nothing right now. If perhaps somebody owe or somebody default, the government back that up and the government go give the lender back all the money. So that's what government backed mortgage is. Okay. I hope you learned something today. If you did, press that like button and press that follow button. And I have more content coming. It's all about helping people and telling y'all what's new, the new programs that's coming out that can help y'all, like the lottery for the Cal HFA. It's a lot of things that's coming. And I'm just trying to get it out there to you guys. Like I said, I'm a real person and I have real problems. I hope to be a homeowner one day. But if I can get y'all in the home first before I do, then I'm all for it. And I will help y'all get into that house, which starts with renting and figuring out your situation. And if you need a job, I got job referrals and everything. I'm the helpful person that's going to stick right through you through the whole program. So if you like this page, subscribe to this page, and I'll see you later.